This is a look at Doppler 13 this morning. To give you an idea of what you're looking at, here's Sheridan, here's Carmel, here's Noblesville. We've had this wave of rain that has moved in. This is another developing storm. Very heavy rain around Petersburg, stretching down towards Newmarket and Ladoga. I do think that misses most of the metro, but this flank of the storm from Greencastle down to Cloverdale has in it some very heavy downpours of rain. Now, I think we're going to get more today, and I don't think it's going to rain all day. We don't need any more of that. This is the flash flood watch in effect until 8 o'clock tonight, and that's for just about everybody. If you're watching Channel 13, you're under this flash flood watch tonight, and that includes down to the south. Here's Mitchell. Here's Bedford. Those of you that were along I-65 last night about 6 o'clock know about the huge backups there near Seymour last evening. There continues a flash flood warning in an area from Carmel to Kokomo until 5 o'clock this morning. Turn around, don't drown if you see that water going across the road. 69 right now, so it is very warm. It is humid. In fact, not raining at the airport, but the relative humidity, 96%. Ugh, that's New Orleans stuff. So again, no all-day rain today, but I think we'll get in the mid to upper 70s with some scattered showers and thunderstorms. Now, as I mentioned, we don't need any more rain. In Indianapolis now, 6¼ inches of rain. Month's not even over. If you do the math on that, that means that we are more than 3½ inches of be above average for this time of year. Well, as we go through the day today, again, some spotty showers and even a couple of thunderstorms are going to break out. 71 by the noon hour. This afternoon, we may see a few hours of dryness in Indy, but I still think it's going to rain in other spots during the afternoon today. And here's our potential for rain as we go into Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 1/4 inch to maybe 1.5 inches of rain in that time period. So between now and Sunday, look at this, anywhere between 1 inch and another 2½ inches, especially south of the city where they really don't need any more rain. Here's what it looks like this morning. This is 11 o'clock, so as we get closer to the noon show, by the way, you can stream that at WTHR.com. Kelly will be there with you, showing you live radar. And if you're at home, just watch us on TV. Now, let's go to about 2 or 3 o'clock this afternoon. I think much of this time will be fine, but I also anticipate some spotty showers, maybe a couple of locally heavy downpours this afternoon. We'll get to the weekend more in depth in the next half hour. Let's show you the forecast. Friday, 82. Mid-80s with scattered thunderstorms Saturday and Sunday. When might we dry out? I think Tuesday afternoon into Wednesday. We keep pushing that back, don't we? But we'll stay in the 80s.